Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. This gets you straight into control. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences depending on Mac OS version. Once the window appears, select Desktop and Screensaver and switch to the Screensaver tab. This is where you pick your animation. Make sure your Mac is unlocked and on a user account so changes save. From here you'll pick a style, preview it, and set timing, so proceed to choose a screensaver now. Now you choose the style and fine-tune options. Browse thumbnails or select a photos album if you want personal images. Once you pick one, click Options to adjust behavior. You can set Start After to a specific time, toggle showing the clock, or add a custom message. These choices control how and when it appears. Click Preview to confirm the look. If you prefer instant activation, configure hot corners so pushing the cursor to a corner starts the saver immediately. Finish by locking down behavior and testing the result. You should enable Require Password after sleep or screensaver if privacy matters. Do this in security and privacy so the screensaver protects your session. Once done, test with lock screen or use your configured hot corner to trigger the saver and then unlock to confirm password prompts. If the screensaver fails to start, reboot the Mac first, and if needed, reset NVRAM or SMC. These steps resolve most stubborn display or settings issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.